So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can load a preset file. Basically, a preset files are just settings for your trading system or your trading robots. So after you've loaded the MT5 system or the MT5 robot, if you don't know how to do that, make sure you watch my other video where I explained exactly how you can do that. So for this example, I'm going to be using the Vega system. So when you drag it to the chart this way, you can see the inputs. If you have already installed the system on your MT5 and it is showing this way, you can double click on this blue hat over here and it will open the input settings. You can locate the input settings just over here. Now these are the input settings. So instead of being overwhelmed adjusting each settings, that can be very risky and it can affect the way the bot performs on your account. What you need to do is just to load a preset files that has been sent to you. So to load the preset files, right here under the inputs, I click on load and I locate my desktop. This is the preset files for this particular bot. So I can either double click on it or I click on it and open it, and the preset files has been loaded. The settings has been changed to what is in the preset files. So what you need to do is just to click on OK and you have changed the settings of the bots. This is how you can load the preset file. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because in my other videos I explain some of these settings of not just these bots but other Forex systems and how you can adjust them. This can help you on how you can adjust and optimize these settings to get the better results. Whenever you purchase a lifetime license of this bot, whenever there is an update in the bot or the presets files or the settings, you are going to receive all of that for free. My Forex systems or my Forex robot focuses on managing your equity, your capital, even in the period of a very serious drawdown. And that is what makes it very special and different. If you want to activate the system on your MT5 accounts, click the link in the description. It will direct you to the Telegram channel where you will receive instructions on how you can get started. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video.